Hello, today I'm gonna talk about my Android Firebase upload and retrieve issues of images and how I solved those issues. Right, the problem I was facing that it was not generating URL, that Firebase URL, image URL. It was just generating a random image URL, right? But now it is generating right URL. And how I fixed this problem? Well, I posted an issue on Android community on Facebook groups. Then they tell me about the URL method, that this is the URL method that you had to apply. Then I searched for it. And then I find this channel Braces Media, in which he had make a tutorial about how to upload and retrieve images from Firebase and how to generate proper URL. So, but why is the reason that you would watch my video? Well, the reason is this person had shown you how to make it, but I will show you how to properly make it in Android X. I will implement his code, all his logics, but there are some changes in 2020, some libraries issues and some version issues and some file issues, right? So first of all, when you would download his GitHub file, you can download his GitHub file from here, right? From his link, the link he has given. He is an amazing developer, I would say. So the library of Picasso that he has used is this, and you would also use this library. Do not use other Picasso library, because in libraries there are methods, there are ways that are different in each version sometimes, so it may cause problems. Okay, so use this Picasso library and use this version of card view, right? Implementation, this version of card view and this version of recycler view. Okay, after that we would move on. Then let's see the Firebase. Okay, when you would connect to your Firebase, connect from here, right? Connect from here. Don't go to Firebase and download JSON and all that stuff. No, it is the easiest way and most reliable way. Okay, real-time database, save and retrieve data. Here my Firebase is connected. When you will connect it, okay, it will redirect you to your browser and it will connect. Okay, but when you will add dependencies, remember, it will by default it will give you the latest dependency, right? And implement those, not those which are given in his in his tutorial, right? Just implement the latest version of Firebase storage and Firebase database. The point is just use the latest versions. Okay, there will be a button that add these dependencies, and that you will click on that button, then these dependencies will be implemented automatically in the Gradle files. Okay, we'll go in Firebase database and then Firebase storage and do the same thing over here. Okay, after that let's move on another topic. Okay, then after doing all these stuff, do not copy paste all the code from there directly in main activity. Leave main activity, then just come over here, create a class name upload. Okay, create a class, new class over from click here, then new Java class, right? Make a new class like this and make this class public. This access modifier is public, right? Then use that code which is in his file, all that code. Then remember, this class which you are seeing, view image activity, this is not a separate class, this is an empty activity, right? You had to create an empty activity for it. You click on this package, new activity, empty activity. This is how you would create empty activity for it. Okay, now come on your image item, just create here you will see it would not be present over here. It would not be present over here. You had to create it from in layouts like this, new layout resource file, new resource file, and then name it image item.xml and then hit OK, right? And you would implement the card view. Just remove the default view over here, what else over here, whatever over here is, just remove that and implement card view. You will type card view and then hit enter, it will come over here. Okay, and just implement all that stuff that he has implemented after that. Okay, then come in your drawable. You would see 3 files in your drawable, which is image preview, upload, and camera. Just copy those files from his folder, or from his file, the file that you will open in another tab or in another window. Just copy those from here and paste it over here. Okay, then moving forward to classes, then this is view image activity that you had created from empty activity. Okay, and define its layout, all make the layout and then define its class and copy paste all the material that is in his file. Okay, then make image adapter. As you can see, the image the layout that is connected to image adapter is image item. Yes, you can see here it is image item. We had connected with the help of layout and filter, right? This is how we connect or merge two layouts, right? This, be sure that you had created this layout first before creating image adapter class. It is a separate class. Image adapter is a separate class. This is not an empty activity. Remember, this is not an empty activity. This is a separate class, and we had used in layout and filter to merge two layouts. Now in the end, come to main activity, copy all this stuff in class, right after class, these variables, right, these variables, then these methods over here, and then paste it over here, right? And you are all done. Okay, as you can I have a video to show the demo that I had implemented, and as you can see I have tested this application before. You can see the whole video that it is implementing. It is uploaded successfully, and when you view your gallery the images would come. Right, it is successful, and I would show you the live example. Right, view gallery. When I will view gallery, it is coming, and last but not least, the URL is also fine. It's okay, right? URL is also okay. Over here proper URL is being generated. Well folks, this was my story for fixing it. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video too.